And why would that be? Because in Africa, which was when we were evolving 200,000 years ago, was relatively warm. And in fact, people needed to run away from lions, so they needed lots of efficient energy. So they are very, what we call tightly coupled. Their mitochondria is very efficient at making energy. When you burn hydrogen with oxygen, you also generate heat. So the more efficient your mitochondria are, the less calories you burn to make the same amount of ATP, so the less heat you generate. So that's great in Africa. But
Yeah, because the environment's warm and you don't need to worry about getting cold too much.
exactly. But in the Arctic, the lions froze to death, so that's not a problem. The problem is that the people are going to freeze to death. Well, so how do
Right.
they deal with that?
Right.
What happened is the mitochondria DNA gets mutations that make energy production less efficient. Now,
Which sounds bad,
which sounds
but
bad,
yeah,
but you now eat a high-fat diet, generate then a lot more heat because you have to be burning more calories for the same amount of ATP. And so that gives you a buffer for the extreme cold.
got it.
So there was evolutionary advantage for certain lineages to actually become less efficient as
Got it.
people moved out of Africa.
So there's a relationship between the mitochondrial haplogroup you have, the type of mitochondria you have, the type of electron transport chain, and how efficient it is, and all of those things. There's a relationship between the mitochondria you have and what they look like and how they function, and the lineage you belong to. Basically, what part of the world your ancestors came from predominantly, and what the environmental factors were there, including energy availability and temperature.
Right, as just two things. By the way, we'll get into it later, but mitochondria regulate many aspects of your body. So this changes in this mitochondrial DNA had many evolutionarily important advantages. Now, the point is, though, that to get a power plant with a wiring diagram that it has a certain efficiency, you need certain kinds of the equivalent of, resistors and wires and so on. And
Components.
you need a balanced wiring diagram to do a particular job. So if you had a mating between an individual with very efficient mitochondrial DNA, say African L mitochondrial DNAs, with a person with less efficient Northern European mitochondrial DNA, say H, and you
Yeah.
allow them to recombine, then you would have some efficient components and some inefficient components all mixed up in the same wiring diagram, and it would short the circuit. So
Interesting.
what happened is Mother Nature, thinking that something was wrong with this, tried to decide what was wrong, and she decided what was wrong was men. So the way to deal with this is get rid of men, and then the only way that the mitochondrial DNA can change is by sequential mutations along radiating maternal line.
So actually, a feature, an adaptive feature of inheriting the core mitochondrial DNA components that comprise the electron transport chain proteins, a feature of inheriting those only from the maternal lineage is you prevent the short circuiting that would happen by mixing mitochondrial haplogroups of different efficiency, such as those that originated in the tropics compared to those that originated in cold climates. If you only get them from mom, you get around that problem of having basically mixed up components that'll short circuit that electron transport chain.